నేను మీ ప్రియాంక. వెల్కమ్ టు లెర్నింగ్ లెన్స్ ఛానల్. Today we will discuss some problems in 8th class coordinate geometry. So look at the figure. This is coordinate axis. So in the coordinate axis, one triangle is given. So in this coordinate axis, one triangle is given. So what we need to find? We need to find the area of triangle ABC. We need to find the area of triangle ABC. So what is the area of triangle ABC? Before going to solve the question, we should know what is the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is half BC into AB. Nothing but half base into height. Generally, what is the formula of triangle? Half base into height. That is half BH. We will tell in general half into B into H. So, what is the base? B is nothing but base. So, BC is the base. So, I wrote BC. And AB is the height. H is the height. So, I wrote like that. Okay. Now, if you know BC and AB values, we can directly substitute. So before going to that, we should get these two values. Then only we can write in this formula and we can substitute. So first of all, solve BC. So what are the B coordinates and C coordinates? Let's see. x1 comma y2, x3 comma y2. So these are the coordinates. So what is the BC for distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Next, in this, what is x2? This. So what is x1? This. x3 minus x1 square plus what is y2 here? y2 only. What is y1 here? y2 only. Both are y2 only. Okay. y2 minus y2 whole square. That is equal to root of x3 minus x1 whole square plus 0. Okay. So plus 0 means we can nothing. So square and root gets cancelled. x3 minus x1. So what is the distance of BC means we get x3 minus x1. We get x3 minus x1. Next, AB. What is the distance of AB? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is AB given? AB coordinates. A x1 comma y1, B x1 comma y2. X1 comma y2. So these are the coordinates we need to substitute in this figure. So what is x2? X and x1 is also x1. Both are x1 only. So x1 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is x1 minus x1? 0. So 0 plus anything is what is the remaining? That only will be y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is the answer we got? y2 minus y1. Okay. Now we got BC and AB values. So what is BC value? We got x3 minus x1. AB value we got y2 minus y1. We are going to. So what is BC value? x3 minus x1. What is AB value? y2 minus y1. BC value is x3 minus x1 and AB value is y2 minus y1. So I am substituting in the formula area of triangle ABC. That is 1 by 2 BC value. So this is the BC value. x3 minus x1 into what is AB value? This is AB value. y2 minus y1. So how we can write it as multiplication 1 by 2 x3 into y2 minus y1 minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Okay? Understood? Thank you. If you have any doubts, please text me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.